There's a notable gap in the industry today, where industrial contractors are in search for a reliable and formalized partner. These contractors, along with their owner-operator clients, require a partner that is not only flexible, but also capable of engineering, deploying, and managing modular utilities for a variety of needs. Needs like turnarounds, projects, emergencies, and maintenance work. To be sure, industrial contractors often find themselves limited to working with equipment providers. They're not fully meeting their needs. They're looking for a more comprehensive solution. Aggreko recognizes this demand, and we're ready to extend the same level of expertise and support that our owner-operator clients enjoy today. This expertise is now accessible to the companies working across the United States in these same facilities that Aggreko is already servicing. We're promising a more integrated and supportive partnership. For HVAC contractors, the benefits are quantifiable. It's about custom HVAC solutions. Aggreko crafts tailored heating, cooling, and ventilation solutions to maintain the desired environmental conditions, crucial for projects requiring strict temperature and humidity control. Utilizing Aggreko's advanced HVAC systems leads to greater efficiency and lower operational costs, as these solutions offer maximum performance with minimal energy use. Contractors now have access to Aggreko specialists for technical guidance and consultation. This helps clients with precise sizing of equipment. It matches project requirements and prevents oversizing or undersizing.